Hi, how are y'all doing today? I am doing well. It is currently 2 days after Christmas, so I wanted to do some unboxing videos. I don't know if y'all can see over there, probably not actually, but I've got a few things I wanted to unbox. One of them, we've never done this on the channel before. I'm a hairstylist, so I normally do like hair coloring videos, but I thought it would be fun for us to do a hair styling tool. I got this for Christmas. It is the Lange ceramic straightening brush. It's like a heated brush. You have to. All right. So here's the brush. I already read the instructions, which they have on the back. I'll read them to you guys, or I'll actually put them right here if y'all want to read them real quick. Here is the brush. It's got the power button and the temperature switch right here, and it's got the bristles and everything. It feels really nice. It's blinking that it's off on the screen. So it said to hold the power button for 3 seconds, and it's automatically on 370. I can hear it. I wasn't expecting it to be like making a sound. Is that bad? I normally do my hair about 370 anyway, so we're just going to keep it at that. It said to wait 30 seconds for it to heat up, so I'm going to let it sit there and then put my heat protectant on. I use the Amica The Shield. This hair heat protectant is really nice. It protects up to 450 degrees, and it also helps protect against humidity frizz, which it's like raining today. So yeah, really good product. Alright, so I've just got it sprayed all over, and I'm gonna clip my hair up in sections. My hair is a literal mess today, so I'm like super excited to be doing it. Alright, I hope you guys can see, like I hope the lighting is good. And I still have my undercut. It's like pretty burnt out now, but still. Alright, and it said to take it from root to tip. I don't know if I'm supposed to do it like this way or like this way, so let's try like this way first. Ooh. It said to comb it like in moderate for a moderate amount of time. I don't really know what that means, but okay, now we're starting to get somewhere. I think I have to, like when I flat iron my hair, I take the flat iron and like slowly go down. I think it's the same with this. I think I need to take it and like slowly comb down it. Also put a little too much serum in my hair this morning, so that's not helping our case. Got another section down, so let me start on the top. I'm curious to see like how the bang area is gonna go. My camera stopped recording, and I'm not really sure why, but I don't know how much of it got. So I pretty much just used it like how I intend to. I wanted a hair tool to keep here at my makeup desk so that in the morning when I'm getting ready for work I can just kind of like do it real quick. I definitely put a little too much serum in it this morning, so it doesn't matter how much I style it, like all the serum's like weighing the ends down. So I think once I have like freshly washed hair that this product is going to do a lot better. I'll actually do it again. I'll do an outro, and I will use it a couple more times before I give you guys my like final thoughts, because I like to do that when I'm reviewing products. I like to not just use them once and then try them and then like later hate them. I like to use them for like a consecutive amount of time and then I'll upload. So I'm going to give this product another shot. I'm probably going to touch up my color because it looks faded, so I might do that and then I will. Alright guys, so I have my tool right here. I actually ended up having to find a tutorial online because I didn't understand the instructions well enough. So basically, I'm gonna turn it on. We're gonna style our hair again. I've got it brushed out. I've already got my heat protectant spray in and everything. So you want to take sections. I'm gonna do like a quick little example on one, and then I'm gonna just like focus on it. So it said to take about inch sections like this, like a pretty small amount of hair, and you want to pull it out and hold it taut, like you want to hold it with a grip on it. You want to take your tool from root to tip and just kind of like go along it. So I'm gonna do my whole head again real quick. You guys have no idea how happy I am that I looked up a tutorial on how to use this thing, because as you can see with the first attempt, it did not go very well. So you have to kind of like hold your hair pretty taut, and you have to take smaller sections, which I really should have done that, but this is a tool I was hoping I could be like super lazy with. I could just like run my hair through it a little bit, and but honestly, after I got my hair cut and looked at that tutorial, I've been using it a lot more, and I'm like really, well, now that I know how to use it, I'm like super happy with it. I'm super happy with just being able to like have like a little, I mean, I guess I could leave my flat iron at my desk, but I don't know. It's just something about having an extra little hair tool. Of course, like your hair gets caught in it too, but that's just like one of those things. And if I leave it plugged in, the light constantly blinks off. Like it just says the word off, like that. It doesn't ever go away. It's just constantly like blinking. So that's another thing. Like if you're keeping it somewhere where it's like plugged in, like it's, I don't know, it's just one of those things. Like, but yeah, it's been really nice knowing how to use this thing, and yeah, I don't really know what else to say. I just wanted to pop in here because this was a very long clip of me just doing nothing pretty much. So hi. I guess I can take a second to say thank you for subscribing too. I've gotten a lot of new subscribers lately, so welcome to the channel, you guys. I hope you're all having a happy new year, and I'm glad that I'm actually having some time to make a video. I have gotten a bunch of them filmed over the next few days, but having time to edit is going to be the thing. I'm like up till almost midnight right now, like working on this one, because the only time I have time to work on videos anymore is when my toddler goes to bed. She will be 2 here in a few days, so yeah. And then like here with the bangs, that's like the only part of this tool that I'm like kind of like I don't know what to do with. I'm not really sure how to style the bangs, but I'm getting there. Anyway, yeah, here's the tool. Love it. Alright, so after using the tool, I really like it. I think it's still a little bit better and easier to use a flat iron, and I think it, well, I don't know, this might be less damaging because it's not like, you know, like a flat iron would, but I really like it. I had gotten this tool with the intention to keep it at my my vanity, so that in the morning when I'm getting ready for work, I can just like fix my hair real quick while I'm like right after I do my makeup, so that I can actually go to work with my hair looking nice, because I normally don't. Also got a big haircut since filming when I first got it too, so I think that helped a lot because the ends were really dry, and I mean I got a couple of inches cut off, like it's like, anyway, so yeah, overall, I really like it. I like the design. I like the feel of it. You can touch like the front and like not get burned. Like the hot plates are like under where the bristles are, so I like that. I like the temperature controls. I think that's very important to control like the heat of what you're using on your hair, so that way you won't damage it. But overall, I really like it. I think I'm gonna give it a 8 out of 10. It doesn't get it quite as smooth as like a flat iron would, but I mean it can get you like presentable to go out. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope that you all have a wonderful rest of your day. I will catch you in the next one. Bye!